Welcome. Today I'm going to make a chocolate cake with the ingredients laid here before you. However, it's not going to be a chocolate cake as you might expect, because there will be no yeast, yet no water, no flour, and just a little bit of baking. Add about half a cup of butter and 1 cup of pure chocolate to a pan. Or just 2 bars, I guess. And on a low fire, softly melt them into liquid. When your chocolate and butter mixture is nice and liquid, you can turn off the fire and add a handful of plain cookies, broken. Mix them in with the chocolate and add some mini marshmallows to taste. When everything is mixed together, add your mixture to an oven dish lined with parchment. Cover it with some more cookie and a little bit more marshmallow. And finally, some peanuts. Place your tray in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes or until the marshmallows are nice and brown. Alright, so it has been in the fridge for a few hours. Looks pretty close to the recipe I used. So let's try how it tastes, shall we? That's really good. It's nice and nice and chewy. Chocolate and crispy. Not too sweet. Very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.